Hello to all Stoicism lovers. Today, let's dive into an ancient but deeply relevant practice, Stoic Meditation. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by things beyond your control? Well, you're in the right place. Stay with me and discover how the ancient Stoics used meditation to find peace in the midst of chaos. Before we begin, it is essential to understand how this practice was born. Stoicism, with great minds like Seneca, Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus, not only offered us philosophy, but practical tools. And meditation was one of those tools, used to reflect on our actions, desires, and emotions. To start, find a quiet place. It can be your bedroom, a park, or even a quiet corner of your home. Sit comfortably with your back straight and your hands in your lap. Close your eyes and take a moment to free yourself from distractions. Remember, this is your time. Begin by focusing on your breathing. Feel the air moving in and out, cool on the inhale, warm on the exhale. With each breath, connect with the present, the here and now. Imagine a river flowing. The water never stops, always moving, always changing. Such is life in constant flux. Reflect on the impermanence of all things and find peace in that knowledge. Think of something that has been troubling you recently. Is it really under your control? If not, visualize releasing it like a leaf falling into a river and being carried away by the current. Release what is out of your control and feel the release it brings. Now bring your mind to the things you are grateful for. It may be your health, your family, or simply this moment of peace. Feel that gratitude and contentment with what you have. Gradually bring your attention back to your breathing. Feel your body, your hands, your feet. When you are ready, open your eyes. Carry this peace and clarity with you throughout your day. I hope this meditation has helped you connect with Stoic wisdom. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And tell me in the comments, how did this meditation make you feel? See you next time.